John Osborne of Basecamp Trading with today's video of the day. We're looking at one of the Mag 7s. Microsoft has showing a little bit of strength coming back here a little bit. We're starting to see momentum move higher. In fact, momentum's moved from being in the minus 40 area here in the fast line all the way up to over the plus 25. So at this point, you can see we moved up. We put in almost a shooting star here. We pulled back. That gave us a bull flag opportunity. And then today we triggered the bull flag by going above the previous bar's high of 423.33. It's already triggered and running higher. The initial target of that bull flag is going to be up at 431.58. I mean, normally we'll see a couple of other bars in addition to that. Now here's when it gets interesting is if we see it continue to follow up until we get to that 442.50, that would put us above this pivot high. And then we have a potential gap fill all the way up until this bar's close up here at 481.63. Now there's some moving averages in the way here, just two of them really. We got the 100 simple moving average, which is what we stopped at the first time. We'll see if we can get through that. Currently today, that is at 431.07 right there. And then we have the 200 EMA right up here at currently at 442.43. And if we can get above that, that's right about where the 442.50 pivot is. Those we need to get through. And if we can get through the 100 SMA and the 200 EMA, then we could start to follow through on the gap fill above 442.50. So we'll keep an eye on that one. And if we see it run, that'd be a nice run if we can get that to move after 442.50. Just keep in mind, we are extended on momentum, and if we pull back and maybe go sideways for a little bit as we move up, we could get us back down with the fast line below the plus 25. But sometimes we'd run anyways. You can see we did it back here. Didn't have a problem doing it back there. So we'll see where this goes. Good luck if you decide to paper trade it. And if you like this kind of analysis, you can join us for just $7 for 30 days and give it a try. We'd love to have you join us.